Henry from Pensacola wants to know what can a person who doesn't have insurance or money do that has a mental condition, how to file for Social Security benefits?
They can certainly file for disability benefits. They're going to have a hard time if they don't have insurance, and I know even health insurance under the Affordable Care Act costs money. But the Social Security Administration is going to be all about documentation, and you're going to have to be able to prove your case. There are some low-cost alternatives, but if you don't have money and insurance, it's very, very hard.
Is it because are you saying that person may not have had the paperwork over time to document their illness, and that's where they'd run into trouble?
That's right. The Social Security Administration, if you're not having treatment, you're going to be kind of at the mercy of their consultative examiners if they send you to one. And usually if somebody that doesn't have much medical documentation, that's what I'm going to suggest if they have not sent someone out already. And they always seem to do it on the cheap without that, and you end up getting to the hearing with the judge, and there's not enough documentation to prove the case. Sometimes from the consultative examiners, you can find enough proof, from their own doctors to help you out and win the case. But it's always best to have your own documentation from a treating physician because they're entitled to more weight under the law. And if it's been a long period of time under a case called Chester versus Bowen, then it would be entitled to even more weight.
Okay, so it's not that insurance is a requirement for the benefit, it just helps better prepare your case, really.
That's right, because like I said, they're all about documentation, and if you don't have it, it makes it harder.
So to that point, how often are you successful when someone's claim is denied? Is it really an uphill battle to get that reversed? I assume that's where you come in and help people out trying to get that denial to get it approved. How hard is that?
It depends on the case. I mean, some people are going to have better cases than others, and sometimes it's really objective, and you can prove it, and sometimes it's subjective, and you just got to argue it from that standpoint. Some cases, people are going to have a combination of different impairments. Maybe they've got COPD, they've got back problems, they've got mental problems along with that. You stack that together and consider it in combination, and it makes the case stronger. Sometimes when people are over 50 years of age and they've done hard work all their life, it becomes a lot easier because at that point you don't have to prove that there's no jobs that exist in significant numbers in the national economy that you can perform. At over 50 to age 55, even if they can do a sit-down job or a sedentary job, they have a strong case.
Yeah.
If when it gets to be above 55, if they've done above light work and there's no transferable skills, then they've got a strong case there, even though that they could do a lighter or sedentary